Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit footer here on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing the footer on your Wix website is an important step to customize the look and feel of your site across all pages. Because for one, the footer typically includes elements like contact information, social media links, copyright statements, and navigational setup. Now, once you're logged into your Wix account, I want you to hover to the website so you can access the Wix editor. Because from here, all you have to do is hover to the very bottom of any page right here. This one right here. I'm adding another section here so you can see it. Okay, and then hover down at the bottom where you can see the footer. And for you to be able to edit that, it's very simple. All you're going to do is there's going to be a more action here wherein you have the quick edit. You have all of these to your disposal. You can add elements, for example, say put in some gallery, contact, anchor, in page menu, hamburger menus, and a lot more. All right. Not only that, you also have the option to, again, choose a layout of your choice right here. Just wait for it to load. Now you can also have a section if you wanted, because customizing your footer ensure that you have important information, links, and branding are present on every page of your Wix website. You see that? Now you have an option for the desktop or mobile view as well, wherein, since the footer appears on every page of your website, it's a great place to provide consistent and essential information. This ensures that visitors that have easy access to important details, no matter what page they're on, such as, a lot of information. You can put in phone numbers, email address, and physical address. I'm switching over to the desktop view because, again, on the bottom wherein we can see the footer, you can add elements. You can put in a section generator. All right, in this text, I'm going to put in something like this. Once you've done that, choosing your image, you might want to do some quick changes and click on publish. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.